Hawu ndoda emnyama.
Kunjani mfethu?
Hey, iKaizer Chiefs iveneza nenyeke manje.
Izenenye.
Yavene yama endleleni yemali.
Yeah.
Kodwa I think this allowing goal ka police
Yeah.
destroying everything. Yeah. Kodwa ke message yami engizodlulisa kwi Orlando Pirates family ukuthi never give up until last game. Anything can happen. Ubona umdlalo bemuhle ne-attendance ibenhle, i-atmosphere yeSoweto Derby ibe yilento siyaziyo ukuba iba so. Yebo ukupredicta iSoweto Derby kuba kancane ukuthi uyikhane. Ngithi we ekwenzeke ngakona this is a Soweto Derby but i-support kubadlali bethu ne-team yethu sosoloko sibanikeza zabo yona until size kube egcineni. Abajida after 1-0 down aye abona ukuthi konakele avuka asibamba futhi athe masevuka ezibamba abeyifoster iwin basho kona ukuthi it's too late but the way abadlale ngakona on my side I'm happy angeke ngithi imali yami ngiyimoshile ngokuzokweseka i-team ebengikufuna into ejabulisa thina abalandeli amagoli yabona ke iDerby mayiba namagoli noma ngabe ingadrowa ngo-5-5 as long inamagoli iDerby yona into esifunayo uzubona iDerby the way ongakhona ibukelwe ngisho nomlandeli weSundowns wayeke ukuye emhlathuze washuza ukuthi Derby is the best wazobukela nabanye ama-team ebekumele bayawasupport ama-team wabo bayawayekile ngoba befuna ukwenza sure ukuthi bazobona iDerby ngisho namasonto aye abefundisi baphuma early bathethela amazwi ngoba wonke umuntu befuna ukubona ukuthi end of the day iDerby izokwenzakala ngisho naseparlament bekune-offer enkulu namhlanje wonke ama-politician abela ezofakazi ukuthi afuna ukubona ukuthi end of 90 minutes kuzokwenzakalani. That is a Soweto Derby e-unite each and everyone even nasomabhizinisi babe very happy. I think imali ekhandwe ngale Soweto Derby ngosomabhizinisi iyamangaza kakhulu support abayithola uma kwi-Derby. That's why iDerby misa yonke into because is an economy. Abafethu bathobhile bawathola amasenti ingane izake zithi ungalali zingadlanga ingakho ke sikuncoma kweDerby ukuthi hayi kona